Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka dorba Shnong Lawjynriew ha ka arpu pratrik ulber arja Lawjynriew. Kala rakhi ya ka jinga lenti ka pasispa sanpo Snem nadu belaseng ya ka. Ha kani kasi la play ya ka centenary building bad ya ki weki project bad la pelat pad baru ya u official mascot da u menteri rangba kejala u Konrad ki sangma u belalong kumukongsan. Haba keren ha kejialang u menteri rangba ula penmenaban a Jingkyrshan pisa laipolang na ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund kum ka jingarap ya ka dorbar Shnong ka bala rakhi ya ka ni ka jingdap shispasan po Snem. U menteri rangba ula ya roru yu senyang u benhei jong ki dorbar Shnong bapher ki bala yarap ya ki padba bad ya ki bor sarkar haba ka jela kalamat ha ka kham jingpang COVID-19 bad ha ka bapet ya ka syongsuk syongsan bad kiwe.
Artistic heritage installation. Across 8 dog localities, no Masuk A, no Masuk B, Golden Estate, no Halang, no Put, Lawjynriew, and Jingkyrshan. We celebrate culture and heritage with these stunning artistic installations. Let us once again
dedication, humility, and service to the community. I request our respected chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, in presence of all other dignitaries, to please present the felicitation to Sri Kal Singh Malko. A big round of applause for our respected elder, Sri Kal. The new settlement area. But what would give this particular locality its unique identity? What would distinguish it among the many suburbs that would later emerge in North Amai? The answer lay in nature itself. In the lower forested parts of this settlement, a distinctive creepy plant thrived, known scientifically as Lawjynriew, called the African dream herb or sea bean in distant lands, but to the Khasi people, simply Lawjynriew. From this plant, the locality drew its name, Shnong Lawjynriew. And so, Shnong Lawjynriew stands today as the
privilege for me to be present here today as we mark a very historic and momentous occasion, the celebration of 150 years of Dorbar Shnong Lawjynriew. At the very outset, I thank the Almighty and extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire community on reaching this remarkable milestone. Friends, the story of Lawjynriew is not just a story of a locality. It is a story deeply connected with the growth of Shnong and the history of our state. From its early days under the traditional governance of Himamalim to its formal land registration in 1876, this locality has stood the test of time. I must say that Lawjynriew is a very, very forward-looking locality. Lawjynriew holds the distinction of being one of the first localities to introduce a door-to-door garbage collection system. This initiative reflects constructive approach to sanitation, public health, and environmental responsibility. This achievement was realized despite being outside the jurisdiction of the Shnong Municipal Board, demonstrating the locality's strong self-governance and community-driven development. Lawjynriew has also embraced modernization by establishing its own online dashboard, marking a significant step towards digital governance. This has enabled better record keeping, transparency, communication, and management of the locality's affair, which blends traditional governance with technology. The locality has also undertaken the unique initiative of conducting its own census, demonstrating a high level of organization and administrative capability at the community level. Through this effort, the Shnong maintains accurate and up-to-date data on residents, households, and demographic details, which support effective planning, governance, and delivery of community services. I'm happy to inform you that I have decided that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, to mark this wonderful occasion, I will be contributing 30 lakhs from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for this particular purpose. Also, for many, many years, we have been trying as a government to improve the overall facilities in different localities. Many programs have been started by us, but as we all know, that the government alone cannot do it. I must, on record, mention the contribution of all the Ramba Shnongs, all the localities and the leaders and the citizens. Their support during difficult times like the pandemic of COVID-19, like different situations of law and order, where without the community's participation, it is impossible for us to manage situations. And hence we decided that we as a government would continue the partnership of working closely with communities. Different beautification programs, different awareness programs, different programs related to health, sanitation, and different social issues have been carried out with the support of the localities. And hence, we desire to continue this partnership in the days to come. 2027, January or February, Meghalaya will be hosting the National Games. It will be a proud moment for our state and especially for Shillong City. I look forward to make this particular National Games one of the most memorable and well-organized games that the nation has seen. And for that, I would like to request that all the localities must come together, work together, and take forward this objective of making the National Games a complete success. You are aware that we have started the process of installing CCTV cameras in all the localities of Shillong City. We have also started the process of installing street lights in all different localities, and we will continue to expand the network of CCTVs and street lights with the objective of making our streets safer for the citizens of the city and specifically different localities.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.